three topics: planning of pour sequence, modern equipments, and finishing and maintenance issue of floors or aspects of floor. Took some time to prepare the slides. Please pardon if the slides are not okay or not understanding. Forget here that I have been invited as flooring expert, etc. I am a contractor, as same as you. I do not believe whatever I say here is 100% perfect. It is coming from my experience wherever I have worked and whatever lectures I have heard from lot of different presenters like Piyush or Seshadri sir or even our ICI fraternities. Yeah. Please feel free to stop at any point of time in the presentation if you don't understand it. Yeah. If you ask questions to me, I'll be more happy. If you don't ask questions to me, that is not something a presenter gets happy, right? So today is 16th February 2024. I have a, you have to press there, press, just press, yeah. Okay. So now somewhere this heart is blocking. Somehow again technology, the media is not connected well. Yeah. Can you go to the next slide? You know why this is? Whose heart this could be? Just imagine. What is our topic? Huh? Today's topic? Flooring. Yeah. Industrial flooring. Tomorrow, this is one new floor coming at Kodisia 2, Kalapalam. Yeah? One more floor coming at somewhere in Sulurpet. Yeah? What is going to happen, you know, if you have read the brochure correctly, Dr. Sudhakaran and team has said this program is pivotal. Pivotal in Coimbatore industry. Yeah? So what is going to happen? Pivotal Udaharan delegates are going to run and implement whatever you run today immediately into the next floor. Yeah? So this floor is getting worried. They are getting so much knowledge. One person coming from all over the world. Where is Sheshadri sir? Amara Guruji hai wo. Where is our Guruji? Guruji is not seen. So if Sheshadri sir's face is seen, no, every specification in India gets frightened. Yeah? Because he is the best specification writer. Yeah? Piyush has also seen the world. I have also seen bit of world. So now floor is worried. All the Coimbatore floors are worried. What is going to happen to us? Yeah, nothing happened 20 years and tomorrow everybody is going to change the flooring world. But my sincere request to you, 100% change is never possible. If you learn 10 things today from all of us, even if you implement 1 or 2, that is a sustainable moment. Yeah, everything is not possible. No, nobody can improve 50%, 100%. Make it a practice to improve 15% every time. Yeah, I have a habit of talking, so you have to stop me if I am taking more time. Yeah. Okay, good. I have 3 golden statements which I always talk. Now I have started writing. Yeah, this presentation does not talk or preach about how to design a crackless floor. It does not exist. Piyush said already. Yeah, I was also fiber man for 16 years of my life, but I never said it stops cracks. Yeah? It stops propagation of cracks. Yeah. So don't get into assumptions that there is some avishkar, some rocket science which is going to create a crackless floor. Forget crackless floor. Floor is coming from concrete. It is nature is to crack. You can reduce number of cracks. By decision, you can stop the propagation of cracks. Okay? This presentation does not talk or preach about how to cast a 0-0 floor. Yeah? Why? Not because I don't know, not because I don't want to do. Yeah? Because both the requirement does not exist and not the requirement of any machine, any racking, not written by any international standard. Right? Clear? And the last one. If you like my talk, you know who to thank, whom you should thank if you like my lecture. You have to speak something. Yes. Any other answer? If you like my talk, whom you will thank? Organizers. No. You talk Sundar Pichai. because today morning 4 o'clock I started making presentation all from Google. Yeah? Now there is a problem. But if you don't like my talk, then what will happen? You meet me outside. Yeah? Okay? Now we start our topic. We are wavelength, okay? Our wavelengths are matching now, right? I hope. Yeah. But same principle. The fun part is over. I would like to give whatever I know best from my experiences. This would be applicable to generally 85 to 90% of floors. There must be 10-15% floors done far better than what I know. Yeah. So it is for 85% floor because we want to improve the industry. This 10-15% is already improved. What to improve further? No. So we are talking for 85% or 90% of the masses. Okay. So when we are planning a pore sequence, what are the parameters to do? Yeah, these are speed. I will do 1 minute. Sorry. This is a very good ad to see. You remember this ad? Yeah? If you know, it's okay, sir. Yeah. So whatever we talk, no, we always ask, what is the number? Yeah. So this fellow, poor fellow, some Juno, NASA scientist is talking about some optical fibers, some Mars. I don't know what he's talking. I have not studied enough. Yeah. But finally that person says, what is the average that rocket is giving? In our case also, when we are deciding the pore plan, first question is, how many square meters you will do per day? The answer is valid, right? But it is not only finishing, I know. It is teamwork, no? We say it is teamwork, then how finishing I will answer? Other parameters is, for pore sequence, I come to each point later on. Yeah. Other parameter to decide your pore sequence is, what is the use of floor? Is the floor going to be used for manufacturing? Is it for warehouse? Is it for food processing unit? Is it for some kind of decorative? Yeah. What is the casting time given to us? Yeah. What is the deadline? We all have deadline, no? Yeah. 23rd of March, factory has to be inaugurated because Chief Minister is coming. That is decided 1 year before. Before that, machines are coming from Italy, later get delayed. Somebody said, I want an electrical line not from here, from here. So they are digging the floor before 1 day. Yeah. Everything can happen, but floor has to happen on time because Chief Minister is coming on 23rd March. So floor should be ready on 23rd March, 7 a.m. That is the deadline. Yeah. It's okay, but this is our reality. What can we do? And it is not different outside. Outside also bit far better than us, but same problems are there. Okay. Sorry. Traffic direction in the warehouse, because we are moving lot of concrete, so we have to understand from where concrete can get in, from how concrete will get out. Yeah. Obviously, Vastu and directions we follow. I think lot of us are following. Whoever is following, they know better from which corner to start. It's a recommendation before you start writing or start drawing your pore sequence plan. Yeah. Obviously, floor user drawing. A floor user drawing is not just a warehouse of 30 meter by 70 meter. It is advisable to have what our person is going to have on floor. Are they going to have racking? Are they going to have some trenches? Are they going to have some foundations? Are they going to have something in the future? The more knowledge we have on the usage of the floor, we are able to finalize the construction joint accordingly. Really not part of the pore sequence, but there we necessarily need construction joints which can change our pore plan. Understand the capability of the team. So what teams are responsible for pore sequence? First you have to ready the subbase. Subbase team should be hand in hand. They should be at least 10 to 15 days ahead of us. Then only we can do a better floor. Concrete supplier, they should be able to supply, or reverse, as Piyush said, we should plan our plan according to their supply capacity. prefer SFRC over rebar? Uh, I don't have to say I am 100% biased person over fiber reinforced concrete, but here I am saying, especially from the pore sequence point of view, uh, at any point of time, your daily output or your total output, I think it is easily changes by 20 to 30% if you are using fiber reinforced concrete and rebar. Rebar comes with pump. Rebar comes with pump blockages, rebar comes with a lot of cold joints in between, rebar comes with time delayed for concrete. Obviously not for seamless. Yeah. Also safety and housekeeping. Nowadays whatever floors we are doing, the safety people are stronger than our site engineers. Yeah, they are really strong. And you know, our engineers' sole purpose is to give a good floor to our customer. Yeah? Because we want to do good floor. We are passionate people. We want to do good floor. Not because you want quality. We want to give quality. So we give good quality. But safety people has a passion. I have to stop this work. This one wire is coming from that floater down. It has to stop. Yes. As if no, if I do good floor, I get good KRA. If it is KRA, our KRA, level good, flatness good, no cracks, good floor. Safety, how many times in 1 month we have stopped the program? Maybe this is what I look at it, because I am again biased towards my site engineering quality control team, because I am a flooring guy. I am going to be biased towards it. Yeah. Let's see what is speed. So I have put here all the 4 systems possibly available in India. Because they also define what would be your pouring sequence. If you stay with whatever you are calling here VDF or Tremix, then you don't have a choice and continue your plan like this. Yeah. If some of you have 7-meter truss, then you still go like this, but your joints are half. Yeah. I think we are not doing good with time. I will not play the video. I will give this with Sudhakaran sir. You can check the videos yourself. In laser skid also 2 systems. One smaller machine which we can do 600 to 800. Bigger machine we can do 800 to 1000 also. Those who are on LinkedIn, we get lot of messages on LinkedIn. We did 1300, we did 1200, you did 1500, we did 1800. You know why it is coming? Because it is happening once in a blue moon. I think our real Indian output is, if you take monthly output, then 600 to 800 per day. I think it is a right kind of average for laser screed. For other systems, it will be still low. Yeah. So we have all this data. What next now? There is another big contributor in pour plan. Who's the another big contributor in pour plan? We talked about screeding, we talked about drawing, we talked about machines, we talked about capability, we talked about safety. Who's the another big contributor in pouring program? Somebody said concrete. Yes, very good. I will not put more time actually. Piyush has taken enough and perfect on it. Otherwise, concrete people will kill both of us. Yeah? Let us try. You remember this? What is this? It is a saloon. Yeah? Our one good friend is not here, Ramakrishna. That is his brainchild. His brainchild was, he was talking. I put a picture from Google. Yeah? It's a saloon where somebody is making shaving, somebody is making facial, somebody is making dye. Right? 3 barbers and 5 customers. Okay? Now, you see? One plant supplying 4 sites at same point of time. Okay? Everybody is thinking his truck is coming. The truck is leaving. Going where, nobody knows. Yeah? Look. This is our poor site engineer, harassed already by safety person. And he is our concrete guy, salesman. Yes. Yeah? Because I need concrete, right? Yeah? So he is phoning this guy. Yeah. Hello? He said, yes, sir. He's a salesman. No, I am also salesman. I said, yes, sir. What do you need? He said, what about concrete? Sir, loading. Yeah. Then again after 15 minutes he called. Sir, what is the status? There is cold joint coming. Sir, left. After 20 minutes, sir, vehicle not there. Sorry, sir, it was not for you. Somebody did. So, just if we discuss, I have a case study for a 42 meter cube of concrete with one of the best. Now, I think we all are Indians. You take name of 2-3 best Indian construction companies in your mind. Yeah, don't tell me. Okay, so there is no guesstimate or there is no guesswork. You keep 2-3 best concrete companies all over India in your mind. Here I know only Ultratech and Ultra RMC. I believe both of them are good. But here if there is somebody more also, you take them also in mind. And assume for this project and flooring contractor was OK flooring company like us. Okay. So for 42 meter cube, best construction company in India, best concrete company in India, how much time it would take? And a traveling distance of 4 kilometers, traveling time of 20 minutes. How much time it should take? 42 meter cube. If somebody needs more information, it was CP30 plant. Any guess, sir? 42 meter cube, how many? 4 hours? 2 hours. Very good. Excellent. You can become salesman. Yes, good. Thoda, please exaggerate. Please exaggerate. Exaggerate, sir. It took 12 hours, sir. So actual concreting time must be 4 hours, 5 hours. But some truck mixers have 1.5 hours gap in between. Because what was happening? Sir, loading left. Not here, somewhere else. Okay. So for planning a pour sequence, first thing you do is you say directions and etc. But then you do panel size. Panel size you do the material what you are going to get in 4 hours. While saying 4 hours, I am also pushing on the downside. It can be 5, 6, no issues. But 4 hours, if you take a target, it will come to 5, 6. So whatever concrete you are actually going to get in 4 hours, you calculate ulta, and then that gives you your panel size. Yeah, like if somebody is going to give 80 meter cube in 4 hours, which is doable, I think Coimbatore this is doable. Coimbatore companies are, I think better. Piyush, concrete is better here than other part of India. Yeah, in terms of supply and commitment, far better. Yeah? So 80 4 घंटे में आता है तो plan 550 square meter. Okay. Then we come to use of the floor. Use of the floor. Suppose this is a factory and there are some machine lines or there is some trench in the floor. Yeah. What you do? A simple thing. You try to match your construction joints along with it. So there is no restrained cracks or no other cracks are coming. So you take care of that cracks in your joints itself. Really not part of pour sequence, but if the construction joint are going, it will come as a sequence. Yeah, and you try to make 1 or even 2 joints on the both sides, so that you are taking care and giving a customer more than what is asking for. Normal customer would not know. He said he is a good contractor, give him the job. So it is our duty to give him more than what he even expects. Yeah. If it is a warehouse, these are rackings. You put construction joints here, so that his MHEs is not crossing as many as joint. Yeah? I am not making it difficult or complex. I am making it very simple. If there are some specific questions, any of us can answer later. Yeah? Traffic direction in warehouse or floor or truck entry. This I think everybody can answer. If this is our truck entry, doesn't go. This is our truck entry. Where should be our first panel? Any idea? Where should be our first panel? Here, 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 here. Which corner? This side. Okay. Can be here. can be top also, can be down also, really. Okay, this should be our first panel, and then this should be our last panel, because that is our truck entry. Yeah? I'm just giving a macro idea how it is going. You can plan based on your internal challenges, if any are there. Vastu directions, I think many of the sites we follow, I am not the expert, so I am not going to dwell on it. Okay. Second topic is modern equipments for industrial flooring. I think as a country we have many equipments modern already. At par, I think the machines are getting launched at same day here and also in outside. Nothing much needed on the India level, but for those who don't know, we can have some time onto it, and detailing we can do it later. Why do we need? First, before talking about modern equipments, why do we need? Where does it benefit? Today, you are having beam system or VDF system, you are having 3 lakh, 4 lakh, I don't know what is the cost. Yeah. By the way, how many are VDF contractors here? Are there anybody? Nobody is. Very good. Good. Yeah, because I have the data who has actual VDF machine. Actually, from last 9 years, nobody has bought original VDF machine from VDF company. Yeah. So if somebody is coming to you and say, I have bought new VDF, it is a duplicate. Okay. And my data is with names, I can share with you. Okay. What is the benefit? The floor is fine. No, floor is having more joints, but in terms of section strength, in terms of surface, even 4-meter floor can be also good. It will have lot of joints. It will need more time. What is the benefit? Anybody can tell what is the benefit of modern equipments? Why? For last 60-70 years, Coimbatore as an industrial town has been using VDF, no? Normal system, even we are doing by hand, no? The floors are still working, no? If you go to Lakshmi Card Clothing, the floor are still working. I was going there 2001, 2002 to that sell that wires into that from Tata Steel. It was still working, same floor. I don't think they have changed. Why we should go for modern equipments? Sir? Speed. Yes, perfect. Anything else, sir? Floor art. Okay. Yes. So suppose we have bought modern equipments. Yeah? Now the Somero guy is not here. Otherwise they have started selling Somero like glucose biscuit. Yeah? Every 10 days there is a glucose biscuit coming, right, Piyush? Every 10 days, 15 or 20. But I think first it was rarity. He bought laser. Now every month, somebody is in LinkedIn. We bought. So lot of machines are coming. Just buying, is it going to help you? Today we got a presentation from all of us, and you say, okay, just invest into good equipments, less joints, more speed. Only equipments is going to help you? Answer? Yeah. It will not help you. Yeah. Because equipment doesn't create good products. Equipment is a necessity of good products. Yeah. But we need to have skilled manpower. You get a fantastic equipment and you still run with your existing manpower, it is not going to work. You can still run with the existing manpower, no problem, but we have to train them. Yeah. I again show this slide here, sir. I think Coimbatore on this triangle, we need to move from 4-meter system to truss first on a global level. I think still 10, 15%, 20% floor are happening in a nice manner, even seamless floors, which is good. But I think as an industry, before jumping to other, before directly jumping 1 mile and 1 kilometer ahead, we have to go from first stage to second stage. Yeah? Then maybe the next step you can do immediately in next 3 years. Okay. So I tried to look at modern equipments, but I think a lot of equipments you are already using. Yeah. So I start from surface preparation. Surface preparation again, whether you have to put some sealer onto it or some overlay onto it. You make a surface from CSP1 to CSP10. From CSP1 of grinding to CSP10, you go for scrabbling. Yeah, and depending on the application, you change your machines from grinders to scarifiers, scarifiers to scabblers. Again, the tools will definitely change as a material, because grinding tools are different. Grinding tool, after grinding, you go for scarifying and then you go for scrabbling. So tools are completely different. Okay. What modern equipments can bring? I think you all know walk behind travel. Walk behind travel comes with the problem of wire, yeah, or petrol. Yeah. Again, our safety guy is there, or even our person's safety is also there. Yeah. Walk behind tire, somebody is going, so you have wire, somebody pulling with us, and it can entangle. Yeah. How much time I have, sir? 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So Bunik has come with power travel, which is running on the battery. Yeah. So there is no petrol, there is no fuel needed, there is no cable needed. And okay. They have also come with pole travel. I will show the video of pole travel. Sir, can you push it? I'm sorry, this is not a safety, no safety followed here, but this is an innovation. Yeah. So put, I'll do it. 1 minute, 1 minute. So I think these are simple tools where Coimbatore as a region can look at as a modern equipment, rather than jumping from today's 4 lakh set to immediately a 1 crore machine. Yeah, that's those who are capable, please take that jump, because there is no dearth of work in India. Even if you invest that 1 crore today, there is enough support for you and there is enough work for you. So those who can invest into Somero laser screed or other laser screeds, please invest. There is work in India. Yeah. But if you don't want to take jump, you at least go for some smaller changes in your system. I have to go here. I'll do, no problem. So these are again boom machines which are used for larger cores. I think can do 2000 to 3000. I have not seen more than 1800 myself. So, but I hear 3000. I have not seen myself. Yeah, sir. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Some machine sky screed, where you put your screed is also coming from the top. I think we don't have here in India also. I don't know if somebody has in China or somewhere, but I got this photo from Somero this morning, so I thought it would be advisable to show. So another new system in polishing. How many people are having polishing machines here? Densification polishing machines? Nobody doing densification and polishing? Senthil, you have everything. Don't raise your hand. This is one new system I personally like. So these are small changes you can do to your business, your delivery of your people by going for smaller changes in your trowel or smaller changes in your polishing systems. You can still give better floor to your customers, which can be a step to go to the next stage of investment to laser screed or things like that. Key aspect for finishing, very difficult actually. It's a very vast topic. I try to summarize in 3-4 points. Project conditions. These are the right conditions where just look at this project from the top and the side cover perspective, not from the sub base perspective. But this is how your floor condition should be before you start the floor. Forget the subbase. Your top should be covered, your side should be covered. Yeah. Which affects your finishing, which affects the differential setting of the concrete. You cannot get level here, or you cannot get flatness here properly if it is not done. What is not suggested? This type of construction where people are pushing you to do floors. If some contractors are sitting here and you don't want to say you are VDF contractors, please try pushing back your customers. Don't cast floor into such conditions. And if somebody is challenging you technically, we are here to talk to that customer technically for you. Yeah, but try to stop, try to push that we will not cast into these conditions. Yeah. This is one of our site, concrete in one panel. Look at the changes from 2 square meter, every 2 square meter concrete status is changing. One panel. Again the best construction company, best concrete company, also fantastic end user, German end user. Yeah. It is not a blame game. This is what is our reality. Yeah. Okay. There are total 11 trucks. You see how we poured it and how it got set. Yeah. I am not going truck by truck, it would be a bit boring for you guys, but imagine you pour a third truck at 6 a.m. in the morning, yeah, and that truck got set at 6:45 in the morning, and second truck which you got poured at 5:30, that still is not setting up to 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Yeah, how difficult it will be for that ROT guy to move his dish from here to here. He will not be able to do it. He'll get confused. Yeah, concrete we still give order of M25. We have to stop giving order at the BOQ item of M25 for flooring. Yeah. A key aspect of finishing, I got requested Senthil to share some photos. So there are n number of surface finishes. Concrete is an amazing material. I think you all are with concrete. Not only it brings money to all of us, I think we also like concrete. So we are all sitting here. Yeah, concrete is a beautiful material. You can do many things with concrete. Yeah, it's the most durable material. Yeah. So different finishing aspects. Color concrete. This is hardener. Yeah. Different finishes can be achieved. Terrazzo. These are two photos from our projects. Yeah. You see these photos. See this clearly. Sorry? Mirror image, no? Very nice, no? Thank you, sir. This, just have a look. We are going to have some nice discussion about this. Yeah? What could be the treatment on this floor? I keep this for 1 minute and go back. Any guess? What is this? What is the surface? Sorry? Level difference, polish. Yes. What is this? Water? Yes. Any treatment on the surface to shine? What could be it? Densification? Okay. Anything else? Sorry? Mirror finish. Okay. Let us finish the presentation. Both the floors have no treatment. It is a fresh floor with 4 kg hardener. Absolutely nothing. No polishing, no densification. Nothing. Yeah, it is pure workmanship. But also I am putting a message here: don't buy your product looking at the photo. Photos can be deceiving. Yeah, this is a pure water. Anything is in water. Yeah, our floor is just bit better flat and bit better leveled. Yeah, otherwise water is going to see your mirror. Yeah, so don't go on photos. Taking photos from Mr. Sundar Pichai's company and putting in brochure is easy. Yeah, so go to that person. If somebody is saying I am this densification and polishing master, go to his floor which is delivered 8 or 9 months before. If after operation of 8 or 9 months, if the floor is still densified, still shining, then it's a good floor. Okay, so this is the only reason I put these photos. Maintenance, I put just 2 slides. Yeah, because if you guys are so sincerely sitting here, so there is a great intent of doing something right. If we do something right, floor is not a rocket science. Floor design is a rocket science. Floor casting, if you follow the design, you follow the TR34, floor design is okay. We can do it. Yeah. So let us focus on doing first time right, so we don't get into maintenance part itself. Yeah. Whatever you talk about maintenance, if you mess it up first time, then maintenance, I will tell you, it is only the business of repair product company, not even contractor. Because we are doing again repair for one big name. They are into hurry, so we have a charged bomb. But we are also facing lot of cost because there is no front. But the product company knows they need our product because our product sets in 24 hours. So they are selling it at 8 times the cost. So they make money. Maintenance, nobody benefits. Yeah. So let us not, maintenance is pain and it is expensive. I took this data from Raghavendran sir to give you an idea what you should, modern equipments etc. is fine, but if there are contractors sitting here, if there are investors sitting here, I understand in Coimbatore this is the factory construction cost per square feet, maybe changing here and there, don't just on numbers, but this is what I understand for a 3-acre plant. Yeah. A good floor can be done between 200 to 240 rupees a square feet. Very good floor. Yeah. And so-called BOQ floor, I don't compare with VDF because personally I don't consider VDF as a floor anymore. Nothing against VDF technology, but we don't need it now. Yeah. General BOQ L1 approach floor by lot of negotiation can cost you around 1500, 1600, something like that. Yeah. So if you are able to bridge this gap between it's a 150 and 160. If you are able to give that 50 rupees square feet cost, yeah, you will not need maintenance itself. Yeah. So try to bridge that gap. If you are a contractor, educate your customer. Just put 50 rupees more. We will give you good floor which will not need maintenance. Why to maintain? Yeah, maintenance is a pain. Sir, what happened? Okay. Surface maintenance, best way to maintain your surface is stop using 2.5 or 3 kg hardeners if you are doing it. Jump to 4 in 1 year, graduate to 5. If as a city, if this city gets to 5 to 6 kg a square meter of hardener, then we can say 2 years down the line Udaharan was a success. Yeah? This is a simple change. It's a BOQ item. Go back to your customer, say, sir, no 3 kg, please put 4 kg. If you are habitual of 3 kg, your labor must be putting only 2. You also know that, right? So take your labor to 4 kg, take your labor to 5 kg. Yeah, you make that simple change in your system, which is costing 30 rupees a square meter, 3 rupees a square foot. It is not a big change. Yeah, so do this change, your surface will be good. Definitely a very good densification, focusing on process and the tools. Yeah, if your budget allows, go for polishing. If you do these 3 things, your surface will not need any major repair unless there is a lot of delamination. Yeah, but as long as you train your manpower on putting 4 and 5 kg properly, there will be very less chances of delamination. Joints is something you need to maintain. Yeah. So Piyush mentioned the concrete has concrete shrinks. So this is our floor here in Coimbatore. It is finished now 18 months. So it is the time to take out the polyurethane and change it with a better sealant. Yeah. Again same thing. Go back to your customers where the floor has been casted 1 year back, 1.5 year back. You will definitely see this, that concrete has shrink and a sealant somewhere it is going down. Go and request him, give reference of what we talked. Yeah, take out the sealant, fill it again. That life of that joint will at least increase by next 6-7 years. Yeah. Also, sometimes there are some issues also in floors which we come to know later. Don't let that issues exaggerate. You visit your floors after 1.5 hour. You are 1.5 year. You are anyway in Coimbatore guy. We are visiting from Bombay. The floors we have done here 1.5 years back. So you can definitely visit. Yeah, visit them, and if it needs to be repaired, repair it before it becomes a problem. Okay. I am a hardcore ICI fan, so I have to take 2 slides on ICI. We have taken effort from 2013 to 2018 to bring an ICI guideline. Yeah, try to buy it from, I don't know how they can buy. Talk to Dr. Sudhakar. This has chapters from subbase to surface. We were not capable writing about densification and polishing when we wrote this document. Whenever come with revision, we will write, but all other things including joints are there in the guideline. Yeah. The cost of guideline is 400 rupees. You can send it to Radhakrishnan sir. Sir, what you can also do is you make some code for this seminar, and I will talk to Radhakrishnan sir. If somebody sends with whatever code you agree, he will give 50% discount. Yeah. The aim is not to earn money from this. Yeah. But you establish a channel. I will tell Radhakrishnan sir. Yeah. The culprit is sitting here only. Beckett guys. They bought 300 copies. But we can print again, sir. Yeah, because the revision is going to be 25-26. Yeah. If you want to do some courses, write to us or tell Sudhakar sir, we can come and teach about some specific topics also. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.